Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a short workout for people who've had a hip replacement. This workout is for people who have had the procedure, had their physical therapy and are ready to start moving again, all right? All you're going to need is a chair, so go ahead, get yourselves ready and I'll see you in a moment. So you're going to start with one hand on the chair, and let's just assume this is the hip that's been operated on, okay? So you can have your hand on your waist, you're going to pull your tummy muscles in, tuck your tailbone under, so think about posture first, gently rest that hand on the chair, and then we're going to start by just extending the leg forward, doing a little lift, lower, and close. You're going to keep the legs parallel. So you're going to point and lift and point and close. Point, lift, point and close. 3 more. Point, lift, point and close. Point, lift, point and close. 1 more. Point, lift, point and close. Now we're going to take the leg to the side. I want you to think when you go to the side, you're going to go slightly forward, okay? So we're going to go side, little lift, down and close. Side, lift, down and close. Side, lift, down and close. Keep lifting up. 3 more. That's it. And close, point, lift, and close, and point, lift, and close. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, and the reason I'm doing both sides is it's really important to build the stability muscles in that leg that's been operated on. So this side, doing it on this side is going to work your glutes, okay, on that hip. So here we go, starting by going to the front. We're going to point, lift, point and close. Point, lift, point and close. Point, lift, point and close. 3 more. And close. In fact, it's 1 more, isn't it? Point, lift, point and close. To the side. Side, lift, lower and close. Side, lift, lower and close. That's it. Keep standing tall. Keep the abdominals pulling in. And close. Point, lift, point, and close. Well done. Let's go back to the first side. Okay. So now we're going to do gentle circles. All right, so again, think of your posture, because it's very common when you've had a problem with a hip that our posture goes out of whack, and we want to try and really think about using the core. So really pull the tummy muscles in, lift up, try and create space between hips and ribs, hand back on the hip, and we're going to slide the foot forward, and we're going to circle it around just to the side, and then bring it back in. So you're going to go forward, to the side and back. Forward, to the side and back. That's it. Forward, out and back. Forward, out and back. 2 more. Forward, out and back. And forward, out and back. Now we're going to do the same thing in reverse. So you're going to take it straight back and then bring it to the side and close. So back, side and close. Now you're going to find that on this hip it's going to feel very stiff. So you don't have to do the full range of movement as I am. Just do what you can, okay? 2 more. And close. Around and close. Let's go to the other side. So chair over. Again, working on that stability now. So reset that body, lift up. We're going to go forward, side and close. Forward, side and close. Forward, side and close. That's it. 2 more. Forward, side and close. Forward, side and close. Now we're going to take it to the back. So straight back. We want that knee straight. Okay? So it's back, side and close. Back, side and close. Good. Back, side and close. 2, 1, and close. Good. Back to the first side. All right, now we're going to try a little bit of more of a lift. Okay, so we're going to stand nice and tall. We're going to bring the leg up, bend, straighten, and close. So you don't want to go all the way up because you've got to be careful not to go too high on this hip. Okay, but this is just making it a little bit more work for the hip muscles. All right, so it's just a little out, bend, out, and close. Out, bend, out, and close. We'll do 2 more. Very good. Out, bend, out, and close. Same thing on the other side. A lot of upper body work, aren't we? Moving this chair as well. So we're going forward, bend, and close. Keep lifting up. So this is where it's going to be challenging for you because you're using a weight bearing on that hip. All right, so keep thinking of lifting up. Yes, and close. Forward, and close. Forward, and close. 1 more, and close. So now we're going to go to the other side. I'm going to turn around now, so we're going to work the back of the body. All right, so from here, what we want to do is just lift up, slight lean forward onto the chair, take the right leg back. So now we're really working the glutes. Okay, so think about tensing the glute, and it's not a big kick, it's just a lift, because we're trying to strengthen the muscle and bring it down. So you want to think of tensing, lifting, and lower. So tense, lift, and you're tensing on the other side as well. So tense the muscles, lift, and lower. Tense, lift, and lower. Tense, lift, and lower. Tense, lift, and lower. And I know it doesn't look much, but if you're doing it with me, you'll really be feeling this right now. Okay, so again, think of pulling the tummy in, tense both those glute muscles, and then we're going to do lift and lower. Tense, lift, and lower. Tense, lift, and lower. Tense, lift, and lower. Tense, lift, and lower, and tense, lift, and lower. Swap back to the other side. And now we're going to work the hamstring. Okay, so from here, we're going to try and kick the bottom. So think of heel and back. Heel and back. Kick. 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 And 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And down. Switch sides. So if you can, remember to flex the foot. I don't always remember, but that's what we want. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. And then from here, you're going to switch back to the first side. Take the foot back. Okay, so we're going to be weight back just a little, and we're going to do a little dip, not too low, okay, because obviously we are challenging this hip. So we're just doing a little dip and up. And again, this is to strengthen the leg, the glute, the lower back on this side. That's it. Bend and up. Bend and up. We're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to hold it here. And now I want you to tilt your pelvis forward. So you're stretching the front of this hip. Okay, and then bring it back. Tilt it forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. For 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you can, you're going to step back a little bit more, okay, and just have a little lunge, all right? And I want you to think now about trying to press that back heel towards the floor. So we're getting a deep stretch in that calf muscle, okay? Just holding it there. Just take a few deep breaths there. And we're going to come up, we're going to bring the foot in, both heels down, nice tall posture, and then you're just going to bend the knees. A second stretch on that calf muscle. Keep holding the tummy muscles in. Two, and 1. There we are. And there we go. So that's your nice short workout for the hip. Do bear in mind that I want you to do what you can. I don't want you to be in any pain. So only ever do what feels right for you. But this is something you want to practice over and over. It will really help not only build strength, but rebuild the flexibility in that hip. So I do hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget, do press that like button. Please do subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care and bye for now. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.